Hello guys, so exam times are near, and we thought of helping you guys to prepare for your SEE examination, with some tips and tricks for effective study. So, firstly, plan out study schedule. First important step is to plan. Get your calendar out and mark your dates for each exam. If the exam on the first day is harder than the exam on second day, then first prepare for the first exam before starting for the second. On the other hand, if the first exam is easy, then you may prepare for the second exam first and then only prepare for the first exam. Then prioritize the important information. Write out what chapters or what topics you plan to review for each day meeting up to the exam. Prioritize the topics that seems to be important for the exam. And don't neglect other things. While focusing on exams, do not forget to eat on time. Take rest and exercise. These things are equally important. You can have group study, but don't overdo it. Group study is excellent to maintain motivation and discussing difficult concepts. But it also slows you down, so occasional group study only. And lastly, tailor your study approach based on the exam. For maths and science, doing lots of practice is probably one of the best way to prepare for exam. Whereas making sure you review and understand the mistakes you made is equally important. Well, hope this will be helpful for your SEE exam. Now hurry up and download NEMA Academy app. Thank you.